So this is a special room. So the library, they want to call it that. You got a lot of the built-ins for books, but the real showstopper of this room is the ceiling, and it's just this hand done. I mean, these angel faces. I'm not sure, but I know it's a lot of work, and it's really well maintained, which is just like super special. So I really see this room as a little bit more masculine, kind of a little bit more moody and dark. I mean, you have an amazing fireplace, again, which I assume is original. And it's an intimate area, but you also have this really nice, sunlight and this sort of Moroccan feel. I think this room sort of encapsulates the whole vibe of this house. I'm really excited to see what kind of furniture will really make this room pop. All right, so I think these two areas are really the heart and the main structure of this whole house. We have this amazing dining room that opens up to this courtyard. And again, this is, obviously there's a lot of entertaining spaces, but this is, really where, people congregated around food. I mean, and again, it's very sort of center in the house. There's the entryway, again, the library and the courtyard. So this is a huge focal point. And I mean, you can really tell, I mean, yeah, there's some cracks here and there, but I'll probably just leave that. Maybe over here, this looks like there was some new tile fit in. Maybe do a little something there, but I mean, if you have a rug, a big table, your eye's not gonna go there. But again, there's just so much character in this room, in this house. I mean, the ceiling, amazing. There's really not a lot you have to do. It's just so rare to have a house where it's not like you need to gut everything. I mean, you literally just need to put some furniture in it. It's gonna pop, which is why I was so attracted, because we have green front and, seemed like a pretty good situation.